Hi guys, and thank you for watching this episode of Cooking with Benoit. Let's go keto today. Keto, 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 keto. Keto, no sugar, keto, no carb. We need vegetable and we need lean meat like chicken. And as we have not had ratatouille in a while, let's make one today with some white meat like chicken breast. French word of the day. French word of the day is ratatouille. It's a stewed vegetable dish from the south of France, Provence, with eggplant, with zucchini, with bell pepper, red or green or yellow, garlic, onion. Don't move. Salt, pepper, various spices. Ratatouille! Well, I basically just listed the ingredients of this delicious and healthy recipe. But let's sum up quickly anyway, shall we? 1 zucchini peeled and sliced or diced. Yup, exactly like this. 1 eggplant peeled and diced. 1 diced onion, a couple of garlic cloves, and some bay leaf for the taste. 1 bell pepper thinly sliced. I picked the red one, but you can basically choose the color you want, green, orange, whatever. Some sliced mushrooms. Whoa, 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 whoa. A can of crushed tomatoes. A couple of chicken breasts, diced. Nice. Olive oil. And some stuff for seasoning. Regular stuff. Black pepper, salt, parsley, and basil. Warm up the oil in a Dutch oven, such as this one, over medium heat. And fry the meat with onion for 5 minutes, while stirring. Add zucchini, eggplant, mushrooms, bell pepper, and cook for 10 to 15 minutes, stirring regularly. Once vegetables are kind of melted, add crushed tomatoes and gently give it a stir. Add garlic, basil, parsley, pepper and salt. Mix and let it simmer for an extra 5 minutes. Don't forget to serve it warm. I hope you enjoy watching this video, so please give a thumb up and show your support. You may also want to comment and let me know what you think about this recipe. Usually ratatouille is very simple to do and it's very healthy. Also subscribe to the Cooking with Benoit channel to be notified about all our new videos. It helps us a lot. Thank you for your support. Thank you for your support. In the meantime, merci, au revoir et à bientôt.